Welcome to you all passionate, enthusiastic, energetic prodigies. This is Prasad Kalam and back with my video. Okay. Today I was going through one of the book and one of the person who is in, they had just visited to my home and the guy is telling to me, he's trying to concern me, Prasad, this is not the way you have to live, you have to buy your own home, you should have your own home of yourself where you can go home and rest. You need not to have more money because money is an evil, and if you have more money you are going to get no, your mind will get corrupt and you will do all the naughty things which is not required in this world. I was shocked to hear him. I'm shocked to hearing what kind of thought process this person is having. He's saying that we should buy a home. I'm saying that why should we buy a home? Yes, why should you buy a home? Yes, if you are at the age of 40s and 50s, and then definitely it makes sense that you need to buy a home. If you are young, you are at 19, you are just moving to 20s, so why need to buy a home? It's not so necessary to have buy a home at that age. Use your potential, use your money to invest in yourself. Try to build your own brand. By the age of 26, you can build your own brand. Everything will be ready and there will be a good platform, and you can launch yourself within that 6 years. So if you have your money, instead of investing on home, try to invest it in your own brand. Try to build your own brand. Try to find out what things you can learn in your life and you can make use of it, and so that you can get great money. Dear friends, money is not at all evil. It does depend. Money is not at all evil. It is a very good thing. It is a very good thing. It gives you very power and position in the society. So if you want to be yourself, try to see how much money you can get. But friends, please remember that it is all depends upon what kind of intentions you are having when you get the money. If your intentions are clear, if you want to serve the people, if you are going to help the people to get grow riches, if you want to help them to enrich the life of the other people, then money is a very good thing. So try to get how much money you can get it. You need to find out how you can build the money, and if you know how you can build the money, then you can definitely learn how to multiply the money. Because there are people who says that I don't have money, I don't have time. This is not possible because there are only 24 hours which has been given by God to each and everyone. So how one person goes successful and one person remains down? It's all about how you are utilizing your time and how you are utilizing your money. Right? So think of it. Don't think that money is an evil. Have money. Try to get more out of it, and then you can use that money to help the other people, to serve the nation, to serve the needy people, right? And enriches their life. This is all about I have to say about the money. If you are liking these comments, you can put it in your comment box. If you want to like, you can like it. If you want to share, you can share it. This is all about the money and money. Thank you.